with the Easy Sales team at Keller Williams Citywide. We are doing a Halloween open house today, and we are so excited to showcase this beautiful home at Kelleys Island, right on the water. So I'm so excited to take you on a tour and show you how we get houses sold and make it easy. This beautiful home, built in Kelleys Island in 1893, has so much charm and character. It's on 3 acres and it overlooks a beautiful view. The airport is right next door to the home, so if you fly or if you have friends that fly, they can fly right in and literally they could just take their plane right over to your house. So how cool is that? The master has been completely remodeled on the first floor. The cabinetry was all handmade cabinetry. The wood throughout the first floor was all made from the heart of the pine on the tree. Thank you again for joining me at my beautiful Halloween open house at 337 Shannon Way in Kelleys Island. And if you would like to have a personal tour of this beautiful, amazing Queen Anne, my phone number is 330-221-6578, or you can email me, kit@easysalesteam.com. Thanks again.